Now, let's proceed in answering and submitting our classwork. Actually, depending on the assignment, there are 3 different ways to turn in an assignment. First, by using the file that your course instructor or professor attached for you. Next, to attach an item that has already been created. And lastly, is to attach and create a new file.
To turn in an assignment, go to Class, then the Classwork page, then click on View Assignment. The first way is to use the file your course instructor or professor attached for you. First, you have to click on the attachment under your work with your name on it. Enter your work. Click the Turn In button on the document and confirm. Or, click the Turn In button on the assignment in Google Classroom. You have now successfully turned in your classwork. Let's proceed. The second way is to attach an item that has already been created. Under your work, click Add or Create and then select Google Drive, Link, or File. Add or create your work files, select the attachment, then upload your file or enter the URL for a link and click Add. Note: you can't attach a file you don't own. There you go, you have now successfully turned in your classwork. The third way to turn in an assignment is to attach and create a new file. Under your work, click Add or Create and then select Docs, Slides, Sheets, or Drawings. A new file attaches to your work and opens. Add or create your work files. Click the file and enter your information. Note: you can attach or create more than one file. Click Turn In to confirm your submission. Now, the status of the assignment changes to Turned In.
By now, you are already familiar in answering and submitting your classwork. Now, let's proceed on how are we going to mark as done, turn in, and unsubmit our classwork. So, how can we mark as done or turn in our classwork?
Some assignments will have a Mark as Done button instead of Turn In. Take note that any assignment turned in or marked done after the due date is recorded as late, even if you previously submitted the work before the due date. First, you have to go to the class, then the classwork page, then click on View Assignment. Complete the assignment, click Mark as Done or Turn In, and confirm. The status of the assignment changes to Turned In.
Next, how to unsubmit an assignment.
After you have turned in an assignment or marked as done, you will see the option to unsubmit. Use this if you need to make changes to your work and resubmit to your course instructor or professor. If you unsubmit an assignment, be sure to resubmit it before the due date. Go to the class, then the classwork page, then click on View Assignment. Click and submit and confirm. Note: this assignment is now unsubmitted. You can now make some changes and be sure to resubmit it before the due date, otherwise it will be marked as late submission.
You are now familiar on how to mark as done or turn in and unsubmit your classwork. Now, let's proceed on how to answer question assignments.
When a multiple choice or short answer question has been assigned to you by your course instructor or professor, it will immediately appear on the classwork page. Click View Question to complete the assignment. We have the due date, the question assigned for you, total points possible, directions from your course instructor or professor, your answer. This box is where you type your answer for short answer questions or select from multiple choice answers. Add a class comment. Use this space to ask questions or for general comments. This is not where you type your answer to the question. Add a private comment. Use this space to leave a comment or question for your course instructor or professor. Turn in. When you have completed your work, click the Turn In button.
There you go. You are now familiar on how to answer question assignments.